Alexa, all light off.
Hey, hello friends, welcome to another video. Nowadays, almost everyone has smart speakers in their houses, like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. I have Amazon Alexa in my house. The quality of voice assistant is amazing. You can ask anything to Alexa, Alexa will give responses in no time. Talking to Alexa is always a fun. Apart from this, we can also use Alexa to automate our home appliances. That means we can control our home appliances just giving voice command to Alexa, just like this.
Alexa, all light on. Alexa, light 1 off. Alexa, light 2 off.
And apart from this, we can also able to control our home appliances from the manual switch buttons that we traditionally do. And also we can control these appliances using Alexa smartphone application. In this video, we will learn how to make home automation system using Alexa and ESP32. To make this project, I will use my 4-node SMT home automation PCB. Apart from this 4-node, I also have 8-node and 2-node home automation PCBs. These PCBs are fully tested and works very well. These PCBs have all the safety features like AC electrical isolation. So if you want to purchase these PCBs, just check the link given in the video description. During the video, I will explain code, circuitry and connection of bulb and switches. So I will recommend to you watch the complete video till end. Now let's get into this video. This is the schematic of PCB. If you want your own custom designed PCB, then you can download this schematic from the link given in the video description. After making the schematic, convert it into PCB. Arrange and place all the components in desirable places. Once the layout is ready, route the wiring and complete the design of PCB. After the completion of PCB design, you need to download 3 files which will require during PCB order. These files are BOM, Gerber and CPL, that is pick and place file. Now open JLC PCB website and click on Quote Now button under PCB assembly. Click here to upload the Gerber file of your PCB. Here JLC PCB will automatically set all the parameters of PCB. Select the PCB quantity and color masking of PCB by yourself. Scroll down below and select for PCB assembly. Here you have to select on which surface you want to PCB assembly, either on top side or bottom side. In my case, it is top side. After that, click on Confirm button. For PCB assembly, we need 2 more files. One is BOM, that is Bill of Material, and the second one is CPL, that is Pick and Place file. Upload these 2 files one by one. Here you need to give the description about your PCB for which purpose you want to make this PCB. I am giving here ESP32 home automation. After that, click on Next button. All the components were shown here that are to be assembled. In case if you want to not assemble any particular component, then you can deselect that component. After checking all the components, click on Next button. Here you will see all the components that has to be assembled by JLC PCB along with pricing. Now click on Save to Cart to complete your order. After 7 days, PCBs arrived at my place. As usual, the quality of PCB is very premium and the assembly components are soldered very well. To upload the code in ESP32 chip, I will use USB to TTL converter. Connect the PCB to USB to TTL converter as per this circuit diagram. In case if you don't have USB to TTL converter, even then you can upload the code using ESP32 development board. Just make the connection as per this circuit diagram, and the rest of the process is same. This is the code for this home automation project. Before you upload the code, you need to add this ESP, Alexa and ACE button libraries in your Arduino IDE. To add these libraries, go to Tools and click on Manage Libraries. A pop-up will come. Here in the search box, type ESP Alexa. Install this library after selecting latest version. I have already installed this library, so I am leaving it. After installing this library, search Ace Button library by typing Ace Button in the search box. Now install this library also by selecting latest version of it. After installing both libraries, close this window. Here in this section of the code, you have to enter the SSID and password of your router or hotspot. And here we have defined total 4 devices. And also we give the name of each devices. These names will appear in the Alexa app when we will connect ESP32 with Alexa. After that, code will remain same, no need to change anything. Just download this code from the video description and make the changes that I just told. And straightforward upload this code after selecting write board and COM port. While uploading the code, press and hold the boot button and press the reset button once to make this module go inside the boot mode. Download Amazon Alexa app in your smartphone. This app is available for both iOS as well as for Android. In the app, tap on devices, then tap on plus icon on the right top corner of the app, then add devices. Here scroll down and select other. Here click on discover devices. Here Alexa speaker is searching for the devices. It will take few seconds to find the devices. Here you can see Alexa found total 4 devices. Now tap on next button. Here total 4 devices are connected to the Alexa. Make the connections of all the bulb and switches as per this schematic diagram. Now everything is done. Let's see project in action.
Alexa, turn on all lights. Alexa, turn on all lights. Alexa, turn off all lights. Alexa, turn off all lights.